Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic BricsCAD tutorial how to align text. So to align text, you can go to Express Tools and we can use these art lines. For example, I will draw arts object from this point into here. And then you can click this art line, select the arts object and will be show for art line text dialog box. So you can save the text. So in there I will set into Movasuket. Click OK, and the text will be automatically attached in this art. So if you want to resize, you can select the text object, go to properties, and then change for text height. Like I will set into 75. Press enter. Then click here 75. Enter. The text will be automatically resized. You also can edit with these art tools. You can click from this point into here, edit the text. Okay, that's it for basic BricsCAD tutorial how to align text. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.